Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed this 99J T-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair, guys. Yes, you see it, your girl did good for her first T-part wig. So guys, if you would like to see how I did this nice install, continue watching. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, let's get into this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Alright, so let's get into this video. So the wig that I am showing you guys today was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair. It is their 99J, 150% density, 16-inch T-part wig. Okay, the wig was $112.63. You cannot beat that. And if you go in the description below, click the link. There is a coupon code, so you can definitely save you some coins, so you can possibly get the wig for cheaper than $112. That's the deal. This wig is nice. It was like the texture was good. It was a nice wig. So guys, I'm gonna put you on to game. All right, this is my first time putting on a T-part wig. Never did it before, so I'm still learning. I'm not perfect, but just watch, guys. Just watch the video and you will see everything that I did, and then at the end I will go over everything that went on. So guys, wish me luck. Let me know in the comment section how I did. Let's
go. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Guys, let me just say, doing baby hairs is not easy. It look like it could be done 1, 2, 3. Hell no. I was struggling. I wanted to learn how to get the baby hairs thinner and just better than how it came out. It came out good, but I'm going to keep practicing to make it better. So I salute all you girls that know how to finesse them baby hairs, but I'm going to learn it too. Just watch. All right, guys. Final. Not good with baby hairs. This is the best I could do. And I'm leaving it like this. So, this is my first time. This is my first time doing this. And I must say I was nervous as hell. But not too bad, not too bad. More practice and I'll ace this wig game stuff, you know. I said 2021, I'm going to teach myself how to do my own hair and I'm going to make that happen. So, it's alright. But let's just flat iron it real quick. Which I flat ironed it the other night when I was playing with it, when I plucked as much as I could, because on a T-part wig it is hard to pluck. So I did the best that I could do with the plucking stuff, but it is very straight. I don't think you can really tell because of the lighting. Oh shit. A little straightening. I think that's it, guys. I did a little bit of shedding, nothing crazy. But what wig doesn't shed, right? So this is comes here. Not too bad. It's cute or whatever. It's doing what it's supposed to do. But yeah, I want to tell you about the wig. So it's from Beauty Forever Hair. You saw the box in the beginning of the video. It's their 99J 150% density straight hair, and it is full. It's not thin filling, so I'm not mad at that. This wig is 16 inches long, and you see where it comes to right here, so that's good enough for me. I flat ironed it. It did flat iron good, like I said. Minimal shedding, which is normal. But other than that, I like it. I know a lot of people don't really care for the T-part wigs because you can't really do much with it. But it got the job done. It was quick to put on. And yeah, it's nice. So guys, if you're interested in this wig, click the link down below in my description box. It gives you all the deeds about the wig, Beauty Forever Hair, the other wigs that they offer you. There is a coupon code down below so you can get some coins taken off your purchase. Amazon purchase, okay? So I'm pretty sure you got Amazon Prime, because who doesn't have Amazon Prime? You get your wig in 2 days. You can't beat that. You don't have to wait 7 to 10 days, you know? So yeah, make that purchase. Get you this 99J wig in time for the summertime, because you know the girls like color. But this is definitely perfect for like fall, winter, you know, them dark colors. It's definitely good for that, but not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. I was a little nervous at first, but I got it done. Doesn't look bad. Make sure I did my makeup. And yeah, guys, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. And yes, guys, I will see you next time. So you already know, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. Bye, guys.